I'm probably gonna give myself cancer. This is gonna be stupid. So, today I got really bored and I decided to microwave a 10-stair DVD, but I have another copy because this one sucks. That side, just a second, that side up. Put it in for 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, oh my god. Subbies. I'll probably give myself cancer. Shit. Dude. Oh shit. Oh, it melted onto this bitch. Oh. Dude, it melted onto the fucking napkin. Oh, it burned through the friggin'... Where is it? It burned through... It almost burned through the napkin, damn. Dude, if you can smell what I'm smelling now, it smells like ass. Okay. Well, just to be safe, I think I'll put another set of another napkin in there, so because I don't want it to burn through, because that would kind of suck, like really bad. If that happened. So, yeah, there we go. There we go. Hold on a second. Pepsi Wild Cherry, sexy as a motherfucker. I'll put this in for 45 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. It's overreacting because I'm skating in that DVD. Oh, I see a bubble. That's not good. Oh shit. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's not good. Look at 4 seconds left. Come on, don't explode on my motherfucking ass. Oh, I'm scared to do this. Ready. Baked potato. Oh, dude. That smells really bad. It's smoking, dude. That's where it burnt. That's where I started eyeing off the 10-stair. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm just playing. See a little burn, see little bubbles. There's a huge ass dent. Here's a flat. That's flat right here. Flat surface, and it is actually bubbling. It bubbled so much. Oh wait, hold on. Holy shit. Oh my god. It was burning through the fucking... See, that's why, kids. You always gotta go to the second level. Oh. Alright, just a second. Let me get this phone fucking out. Oh, this was so worth it.